I know this one. I'll use Thevenin. That's one way, but I know another.
Hello, young engineer. I solved the same puzzle in a different way.
I use one battery. I use one current source. But our answers are exactly the same. Watch closely. I don't use a battery. I use a current source.
Let's go! I love flowing through circuits.
Now we find the short circuit current.
That's me.
Now we turn off the battery.
Nap time! The resistance stays the same as the Thevenin's resistance.
Small circuit. Same answer as calculated from the Thevenin's theorem.
Amazing!
My battery.
My current source. Different appearance, same circuit. Behold the magic! Wow, so cool!
A complicated circuit can become a current source and one resistor.
That's Norton's theorem.
Sometimes there is more than one way to solve the same problem. Thevenin and Norton teach us that different paths can lead to the very same answer. Great engineers choose the method that makes the journey easiest.
Wow, that's so cool!
The adventure isn't over yet. Subscribe to MindSpark Tunes for more amazing stories, history, and learning adventures. See you next time.